hype. So first, what I got out of the course, the first most important thing is I'm more confident about what I can offer to my client and what value can I add to the business apart from financial accounts, because this workshop was about management accounts and adding value. And the second, what I'm going to do next, what I'm going to implement that in the real life. Definitely I need bigger clients, a better portfolio of clients, and I need to be more confident in the way and be able to explain what is that added value that I offer, and be able to convince clients that they need my services.
Great, that's fantastic. And is this a course you'd recommend to your friends?
Excuse me?
Is this a course you would recommend to your friends, colleagues?
Oh, of course, yeah. I would recommend Fiona to anyone. Fiona is also my mentor, so we also have some one-to-one meetings, and I think she's very good in building confidence that we already have, and we already know what we can offer to our clients. But it's about putting that into structure, and Fiona helps to build that structure around our services.
Great. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.